All right, I'm back up at the homestead here and just wanted a quick video on the first garden beds we have set up here. They were looking good a few weeks ago, but the weeds have come in quite a bit. She hasn't had time to do a whole lot with the gardening, but she's got some herbs put in here. Some thyme, basil, sage, horsetail, that's stuff I can't stand, as you probably know from other videos. And over here she's got a bunch of tomatoes all set up. Gonna plant a few more tomatoes today probably. And then over here there's some beans. They're kinda not really coming up. It's been so hot, but it rained last night and rained the past few days. What else is over here? Got some peas, not very many came up. Some cabbages. And what else is over here? Oh, I got some squash. Got some squashes here. How's the garden going?
It'd be going better if I had time to actually look after it for the last couple of weeks.
You're growing a lot of grass in the garden.
Yep.
Yeah. So look at all this. Yeah, hayfield. Should let the cows come run through. But I think Ainsley, you're gonna plant some tomato plants, Ainsley? Okay, well let's get some tomato plants here. Let's find a spot to put them.
Well, and these guys were all the struggling ones that got a little fried under the grow lights that were too low. We didn't really have the ideal setup this year for as many as we had. So there were a few trays that got a little cooked. And I'm pretty happy with how green and lush they're looking.
Yeah, they come back pretty good.
Yeah,
Got
there's
like
some tomatoes down there.
Oh, there's some tomatoes down here. Let's find the tomatoes down here. Where are the tomatoes?
That one right in front of you.
Right in front of me here?
Yeah. There's a tomato on there, right?
You mean actual tomatoes?
Right there.
Oh, there is a tomato.
Yeah.
I'm blind apparently. Cool. They're all kind of getting flowered. So we might try to trellis some of them up a bit too, so they actually trellis up.
They weren't quite tall enough when I started.
Okay. So we'll get Ainsley here to plant some. You want to plant some tomatoes, right? Oh yeah. Well, let's go get the tomato plants and find a spot to put them. All on this side of the fence here, closer to the wire. There you go. Dig a big hole right there. Okay.
Good?
Well, your mom's bringing the trowel over.
Yeah, this will be easier.
Okay, well, that didn't go too well. She found a toad, and she's more interested in a toad now, so looks like I'm planting tomato plants.
No, I can feel it.
Oh yeah, well, get on it. We got lots to do today. Dig a big hole. Go straight down.
I am.
Okay.
The toad has been skydiving.
And here's Taco. He got really skinny. Got all his winter fat gone.
And that's my cat.
Okay, do you want me? I'll dig a little bit here.
I can do
How about you grab the tomato plant out of the jar? Get the tomato plant out. Give me the trowel though, so I can dig a bigger hole. You can plant it right in. This ground is super hard. We got a lot of work to do on it to soften it up. Okay, Ainsley. You're gonna grab one and pop it in. Oh, let go of the cup. Let go of the cup.
down it.
There we go.
At least I
Okay,
broke
so we're gonna curl it around like this a bit, so that roots go down there. Okay, backfill it, Ainsley. Put some dirt in the back. Fill it in. Okay, just use your hand. That'll be quicker. Just go like this. Good job. Okay, we'll dig the next hole down here.
Oh, I forgot my watering can.
That's okay. You don't need it. It's really wet. Okay, do another hole right there.
Okay. Coco.
No, right here. Right there.
Oh, we have to go separate cows, Logan. Before we get.
Taco's scared of the cow.
Can you come help me move, Lachlan and? Let's do that before we get into this. Look at those pumpkins.
Okay, I'll dig a bit deeper here, Ainsley. And then you can get the next tomato out of the cup, okay? Okay, let's see the trowel. I'll dig it quickly and then you can get the next tomato plant in. So grab the tomato plant out of the cup. Toadie's gone, I think. Get the tomato plant out, Ainsley. Hey.
Where's Toadie? I want Toadie.
She's sidetracked by the toad again.
Toadie. Put him in the cup. Here. Make sure he doesn't jump out.
Okay. These ones are Brad's atomic grape for planting. Okay, and we'll do one right here on the very end as well. Yeah, this ground is super hard. It's gonna take probably a year to get a whole bunch of compost in it to soften it up.
When I lift this side up, you have to get ready to grab them, okay?
Okay, after we got the tomatoes planted there, we came and I got these tarps laid around again. I want to get them all around so that it kills all the grass here. So when we put the greenhouse up, there's less chance of more weeds coming in. And then I just put in a whole bunch more tomatoes as well here. Some with Brad's atomic grape, about 10 of them here. And then here, what I've just done, I had the blowtorch. And I just popped a whole bunch of holes in here. And we're going to put in all these ones we couldn't sell. They're probably root bound, but we will pop some holes in and put tomato cages here and have them go. Hopefully get tons of tomatoes and sell them at the end of the road. And this is going to help prevent the weeds as well, having all this tarp around it from growing up, so you don't have to weed. I'm just trying to dig the hole as deep as I can here, as best I can with this hard soil here. It's kind of like a mix of sand and dirt, hard dirt. It's going to take a few years to get this all sorted out. And this is about 4 feet long. You can tell here on the roots here, it's starting to try to grow some more, or on the stem, it's trying to grow some more roots. So what I'm going to try to do here is my best is try to bury it as much as I can, just kind of winding around. And it's going to go tons of roots there. And there we go. Now it looks like a normal tomato plant again. Imagine that. I'll move my way down. We'll just work our way down here. And I'll pop a tomato cage in here as well, which is right behind me here. I might have to actually, oh no, it goes through. Okay, so I've got, I think about 10 or 12 of them in. I don't have tomato cages for them all, but it's a good start. There's still quite a bit left over. I'm not sure, I might go down a bit farther, do a few more, just to get them in. But there you go, I just want to show you this garden area quickly and what it's looking like. And the goal is to get the other section over there with pigs going, but they're taking their sweet time rooting up. This is where they had rooted up previously, and so we'll probably need to get some wood chips and cardboard down the pathways so that they suppresses the weeds. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed that short little video on new garden bed and how it's progressing. Have a great day. We'll see you out there.